Happy Valentine's Day, Sunshine Nation. So today, I want to make some chocolates. I want to make some homemade chocolates. I have all these ingredients out here, these natural ingredients. Chocolate is the best part about Valentine's Day. I love chocolate. Let's see how this turns out. So, one of the first ingredients, you have to have the chocolate itself. You have to have cocoa, right? This is some cocoa powder. This is straight chocolate, very bitter. It's not sweetened. So I'm gonna put this in a bowl. So this is half a cup of cocoa bean powder. And now for the next ingredient, coconut oil. So coconut oil is literally oil from a coconut. It tastes really good. It has a very sweet taste. It's perfect for chocolate. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons of coconut butter. All right, just scoop it off into there. So that was 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. All right, so now we're gonna go with the honey. For this part, you can actually use syrup, honey, or agave nectar. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of honey into this mixture. Three tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna put some of this vanilla in there, and just a very tiny bit. I have 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. So I'm gonna take my spoon here and I'm gonna start mixing this up. So here I have the chocolate heart and it's very beautiful. This stuff's kind of like fudge. Now I'm gonna let my mom try this.
How cute is this? My 20-year-old son making a heart out of chocolate. Homemade chocolate, homemade natural healthy chocolate. I walked in and I was like, are you kidding me? You made a heart? You could have just made chocolate, but you made it into a heart. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, I don't want to ruin your heart. I don't want to break your heart. It's good, it's super sweet. Amazing, I love it. Good job.
Pretty good.
So is this considered dark chocolate?
Yeah, it's dark chocolate.
Okay.
Just because of how much cocoa is in there.
Yummy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Just find a way to show love this Valentine's Day.
You guys, even something homemade means so much more. Seeing a homemade heart is so sweet.
Homemade heart. And of course, always remember, spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.